This scientist from Virginia Tech just figured out how to upcycle plastics into soap. Gaoling Liu, a researcher at VA Tech, knew there had to be a way to divide long polyethylene chains into the short fatty acid chains that we use to make soap. Polyethylene, one of the most common plastics used today, is actually pretty similar in chemical structure to the chief fatty acid in soap. Having considered the question for some time, Liu was struck by inspiration while enjoying a winter evening by a fireplace. He watched the smoke rise from the fire and thought about how the smoke was made up of tiny particles produced during the wood's combustion. Although plastic should never be burned in a fireplace for safety and environmental reasons, Lou began to wonder what would happen if polyethylene could be burned in a safe laboratory setting. Would the incomplete combustion of polyethylene produce smoke just like the burning wood does? If someone were to capture that smoke, what would it be made of? Two PhD chemistry students in Lou's lab aided the curious researcher in building a laboratory oven for the experiment, where they would heat polyethylene in a process called temperature gradient thermolysis. After the thermolysis, they gathered the residue, similar to cleaning soot from a chimney, and found that Liu's hunch had been right. It was composed of short-chain polyethylene, or more precisely, waxes. This was the first step in developing a method for upcycling plastics into soap, Liu said.